Before we begin, I need you to understand something very important. This meditation is not about chasing love. It's about becoming the kind of energy that love never wants to leave. Because when you shift into this frequency, they don't hesitate. They don't pull away. They don't disappear. They commit fully, naturally, effortlessly. So if you are ready to attract a deep, lasting, loyal connection, take a deep breath in and let's begin. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and let your body sink into stillness. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, hold it, and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in and out. With every breath, you are releasing fear, releasing doubt, releasing the need to chase or prove your worth. You are safe here. You are chosen here. You are enough exactly as you are. Now silently or out loud, repeat after me. I am worthy of deep, lasting love. I am the kind of person people commit to for life. I naturally attract loyalty, devotion, and consistency. I am unforgettable. I am irreplaceable. The right person chooses me fully and effortlessly. They feel safe with me. They feel drawn to me. They want a future with me. I am not an option. I am the one. I radiate security, love, and emotional stability. I attract someone who is ready, available, and devoted. They don't question their feelings for me. They are certain. They invest in me. They prioritize me. They stay. I am deeply loved. I am deeply valued. I am deeply committed to. Let those words sink into your subconscious. Let them become your truth. Now I want you to imagine something. Picture the person you desire. See them clearly. Feel their presence. Notice how they look. There is no confusion in their eyes. No hesitation, only certainty. They choose you. Now imagine them saying to you, I'm not going anywhere. I am committed to you. I see my future with you. Feel the relief in your body, the peace, the security, the calm knowing that you are loved for real. You don't have to chase. You don't have to overthink. You don't have to wonder where you stand because you already know. Now feel yourself becoming this version of you, the version who is secure, chosen, loved consistently. This is who you are now. Let that feeling expand in your chest. Let it take over your entire body. This is your new normal. Now repeat softly, I am chosen. I am always committed to. I am always loved long term. People stay with me. Love grows with me. Commitment comes naturally to me. This is my reality now. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Now, to lock this energy in, go ahead and type in the comments, I am chosen for life. Say it, claim it, own it. And if you are ready to manifest this even faster, visit joybyjanell.com, where I help you reprogram your mind for deep love, commitment, and lasting relationships. Your reality is shifting right now, and this is only the beginning.